It's another day, another blessing, and another food trip na naman tayo. May na-discover nga tayong food park here in Dasmariñas, Cavite, where you can enjoy the food trip, billiards, chill, and music all in one. Ang Q and Bites Food Park. Dito nga lang yan matatagpuan sa Don Placido Campos Avenue, Dasmariñas, Cavite. Sobrang daming choices ng foods ang talagang ma-enjoy ninyo. Una sa listahan itong Taco-tastic, where you can enjoy takoyaki for as low as 29 pesos. Meron din silang K-egg, where you can enjoy the fluffy side of life. Super sulit din ang kanilang milk tea and fruit tea dito. And for the burger lover, meron din ditong Snack Shack, where super the best ang kanilang Aloha Burger. And syempre, dahil rice is life, you can enjoy rice meal dito sa Sizzling Corner. Super sulit at super sarap ang kanilang mga sisig. And syempre, ang Facham Express, kung saan natikman ko ang pinakamasarap na pastil. So guys, you must try it talaga. Kaya ayain mo na ang buong barkada and enjoy the night in the Q and Bites Food Park. See you guys!